How to fix verification code not received or message verification code error. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So let's say you can't receive your verification code from Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, or any kind of this app. So the solution is, first of all, go into your messaging app notifications and simply make sure that the messaging app notifications are turned on. So once you are done, you have to go for storage and cache to clear any kind of junk files. Once you are done, you have to open your Play Store and simply search for the Google SMS or Google messaging app and simply download it from the Play Store. So this message app is officially by Google, so you don't have to worry about using third-party apps. So simply download this from the Play Store and you are good to go. So that's how basically you can fix verification code not received.